everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make McDonald's style hash brown recipe, which is a awaited recipe for children. So for this I have taken 4 medium sized potatoes, 20 grams corn flour, some cheese and some salt. तो पहले हम पोटैटो को फाइनली चॉप कर लेंगे like this. तो पहले हम इसे इस तरीके से काटेंगे और फिर हम इसे फाइनली चॉप करने के लिए चॉपर में चॉप करेंगे. अब हमने पोटैटोज को फाइनली चॉप कर लिया. अब हम इसे अलग एक कटोरे में रख देंगे. हम इस फाइनली चॉप पोटैटो को वॉश करेंगे. वॉश करने के बाद हम इसे स्ट्रेन करेंगे. Now we will fry the potatoes. अब पैन गरम हो गया है. हम इसमें ऑयल डालेंगे. ऑयल डालने के बाद हम इसमें पोटैटो डाल देंगे. अब हम इसे फ्राई होने देंगे. 5 मिनट्स के बाद हम इसमें 1 टीस्पून सॉल्ट डालेंगे और इसे स्टर फ्राई करेंगे मीडियम हाई फ्लेम पर like this. It becomes more delicious when roasted or cooked. If it is less cooked, it will not be clump well, so make sure it is well cooked. थोड़ी देर बाद हम इसे बोल में निकाल लेंगे. Now we'll add cornstarch. Mix gently so that the potatoes don't crumble. Now we'll take paper foil and put the potatoes together. Like this. Now cover it with a plastic wrap and just push it gently. Now I will push it gently with a push stick like this. Now it's done. Now with the help of knife I'll cut off the ends. We have to make a square shape. Now we will cut it from the between and like this. For the mozzarella cheese hash browns, first we'll cut the potatoes in these 4 parts. And now we will add the mozzarella cheese. Only in 2, and then the other 2 parts we will put them on the other parts like this. After this we'll put the paper foil again and make them round from the corners and just push them gently with the hands. And now it's ready to fry. Now in hot oil I'm going to fry the hash browns like this. And now I'll add the second one also like this. Now the potatoes are already cooked. Now as you can see, it has turned in a golden brown color. Take it out before it turns dark brown. Like this, we'll take out all the hash browns. Potatoes look simple, but the taste is rich.
It's awesome.